Good morning. My name's McKee, and what I do is all about this. I want you to live the life that you've imagined. And something really strange has been happening in my life. I've been looking for customers, looking for my tribe, and putting a lot of effort into that. And while I've been doing that, loads of you have been coming to this page, to this group, and asking to join our speed reading group. So here I am looking around the world for people to join my productivity tribe, of which part of that is speed reading. If you really want to live the life you've imagined, you've got to be able to speed read. And I've been looking for you, and you've been looking for me, but I've been looking in the wrong place, and here you are. So I wanted to say thank you, and I wanted to say sorry, because I've been waiting until I can do a green screen thing and all these bells and whistles of computer graphics to bring a speed reading program to you. And I don't need to do that. This is where I do most of my work. It's kind of messy, but it's very me. It's very creative. And I had a lovely experience yesterday with an old friend who was one of the most influential people in my speed reading journey. And I want to show it to you. It's not a professional video. It's kind of funny. She's a bit quirky, which is why we get on very well. But she and I went around the world teaching speed reading. We did a lot in the UK as well. Her name's Vanda. I think you're going to like her. What am I saying? I know you're going to like her. She is amazing. And I surprised Vanda in this video with something I picked up from the garden. She's working in a cafe in a wonderful place called Kingston Lacey, which is a beautiful classic house and gardens. And something she likes to do because she loves people and loves coffee. And so I find something in the garden and bring it to her. And I want you to see her reaction. And then after I show you the video with Vanda, I'm going to explain what that's really all about. So stay tuned.
Standing up, sitting down.
Standing up, I'm about to show Vanda something from our past.
Am I going to be shot? Will it hurt?
Have something really nice.
Are you going to give me a dog biscuit? No. Are you going woof woof?
No.
Oh,
What
look
have we got there, Vanda?
I don't know, but it's very gorgeous.
Remember the multi-ordinate
Nature of words. And a fly.
We'll get rid of the fly. We don't have the fly. So
With
if you
a
had one and I
fly.
had one.
Yes, and then
Let's
we
see
can
if
have
we
a
can
duel.
connect.
No, Velcro. Brrr, tick, tick. I think we've made babies.
What's the multi-ordinate nature of words?
I'm talking about making babies, and I put you off for a moment there.
It was a
The
bit
multi-ordinate
William,
nature
wasn't
of
it?
words means that if I say something like love,
Love.
then immediately you might have a whole
It's working, it's working.
set of connections. Oh, and they may be different from mine. Look how much magic. Oh, magic over.
Sorry, that's okay. Magic can come again.
Magic can come again.
Magic can come.
There.
So this is where we got Velcro from.
Yes.
These plant burrs. These are actually from Ranunculus, the buttercup.
Is it really?
It is.
Oh, they're so pretty, aren't
They
they?
really are.
I hadn't really ever looked at them, excuse me, but you just need to go somewhere else. There we are.
And then we turned them into something very exciting, didn't we? What did we turn them into? A multi-ordinate nature of words.
Oh, I see why. The complete circle, the multi-ordinate nature of words, because if that central bit was love in there, this would be all your connections around that one word. And then when we start to hook one to another, the next thing that you get is the flow from the multi-ordinate, and then you can go out and that word connects to another word, 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 forever, which is how brilliant your brain is.
Bloom and flow, 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 blooming and blooming. There's customers coming,
And
oh, we've driven them away.
flowing.
I should turn it off. Isn't Vanda wonderful? Love that pink hair. And what Vanda was sharing with you, and we're beginning to sing there at the end about bloom and flow, is an important aspect of speed reading. So speed reading has 3 steps. It's the capturing of the information, and that's what I'm going to enjoy sharing with you over the next few sessions, micro sessions. Capture the information at speed reading. But then you've got to clarify that information, and then you've got to do something with it. You've got to communicate it. It's what I usually say. Capture, clarify, communicate. And what we were getting excited about were plant burrs. And they are seed heads of buttercups with hooks on, where we got the idea of Velcro from. And Vanda and I teach mind mapping alongside speed reading. So you get the information very, very quickly using the techniques, which is so easy to do. And I'm going to show those with you in another video. But then you've got to capture that information. And mind mapping is like this spider diagram with loads of hooks on, where you can put the information. Then we also teach memory skills so you can retain that information, because you cannot act on anything you can't remember. So get your catches out, because we've got some exciting videos coming up, and I'll do them as often as I can, so we get a bit of momentum going here, and I can say thank you for having faith in this page. And I want to say specifically, there are other members on this page, on this group, who teach speed reading, and I am pro that. This is not about you coming to me so that I can teach you speed reading. We've got lots of people here with software and other ideas as well. This is our page, it's our tribe, it's the speed reading tribe, not the Lex McKee tribe. But I am really excited about sharing my perspective on it. So, live the life you have imagined.